So before we hide these navigation elements for the smallest windows, let's adjust this to use min width instead of max width. So again, the deal is that we want to set the defaults for the smallest window, which will be this. Also, we can remove this extra comment, which we copied from this previous breakpoint. And so what we'll do is cut the width auto, and we'll paste it up here where we have our width. And then for the next breakpoint, which will be anything bigger than the smallest breakpoint, we're going to have that be 515 pixels. So we'll cut this and paste it. And then at our breakpoint for a single item, and we'll remove the max width here, that is, the browser is at least the size of 1070 pixels, we're going to use max width, which is our 960 pixels. And then we also need to change the ordering of this so that we're in order of size from smallest to largest. Otherwise, this media query will override this one. We'll save this, and the browser will refresh with our new styles, but we can refresh manually just in case. And as we expand, we get our first breakpoint, and expand more, we get our second breakpoint. Okay, sweet.